Bart Charity has been instrumental in us securing substantial external funding to kickstart our basic research in brain tumors, and now is also instrumental in allowing us to move to the next step and try to take our research all the way to the patients.
These are tumours which affect not only older people, but they also affect people in the adult population from middle age onwards and sometimes younger. They're very difficult to operate on because they're in an organ which is busy and has lots of functions, so it's very difficult to find ways of removing tumours from the brain without causing damage for the patient. They also tend to be tumours which are very much like the roots on a tree. They're embedded within normal brain. So there are some that we can totally remove, but there are many that we can't. And for that reason, we're very much dependent on finding other drug or radiotherapy treatments. And that field hasn't moved on very much, and certainly for patients, prognosis hasn't improved for about 20 years. So that's why we need to work with our partners in the lab to give them samples and work with them so that they can find new targets for medication.
We have so many different tumors, each of them very particular in how they grow, how they maintain themselves, how they recur after treatment. And so I'm interested in understanding why is that, and which molecules and genes are involved in this diversity, and also in these tumors being refractory to treatment. And the reason why this is important is because this will be the way we need to go to identify new drugs and new treatment for this disease. It will have to hit the very mechanism that generate this tumor.